Hello. Hang on, is this umbrella like in my way? How about over here? Hello everybody. If you have not been in my channel, please subscribe. I'm your girl, Cosmelly. And the little thumbs up button if you like, and if you prepare, please comment. Hang on. A B. Get out of here. Good. Alright. Yeah, please subscribe. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna have you some taco fish. You ever had fish taco? So let me show you what I got. So we have here PANKO, which we're going to be adding a few ingredients, and I'm going to show you later. I have already chopped some fresh, nice, ripe avocado here. Some Badia, you know my Badia. What's up? I got some tortillas. We have here tilapia. If you like to use another fish, go ahead. I have tilapia here. Something was going here, but it's empty. I don't know what it is. Boom, chakalaka. We got the eggs. Chipotle. You want a little smoked flavor on those tacos. I got here the black pepper, best friends, salt and pepper. Guys, I'm replacing the sour cream for this cheese. Crema mexicana. I'm telling you, is a huge twist. Is different. Here I have some chopped tomatoes. I here have some cabbage, the lime. Of course, you want to squeeze that lime in the end. I have here some shaved cucumbers because I like the flavor to be, I don't want to be having the chunk, especially on the tacos. Here I have some cilantro and jalapenos, lemon, olive oil, and mayo. Okay, you asking what the mayo is doing there? Because it's gonna be fish taco with a nice cilantro mayo sauce. Capiche? Yeah, you heard that right. So let's try making them right now. Okay, now I found why the little plate was for. Have I made these tacos before? No. But I can't wait to try them. So let's put that here. Now, eggs. Bakam chakalakam. Put that here, there. Whisk, and we're gonna be adding some black pepper. You guys like hot black pepper? I love cooking with black pepper. Well, growing up, my family never really cooked with black pepper. Then when I discovered it in eggs, that I went to my cousin's house and he made eggs with black pepper. It was heaven. I wanted to learn how he made it. Yeah. Then I was hooked forever. Ever. Alright, so let's put that on the side. Where's the fish at? Right here. Come here, baby. You know you're gonna get beautified right now. We're gonna season the fish. Salt. Little more salt. Gonna put more salt here. Not too much, guys. Not too much. Now, chipotle. Chipotle is gonna give this fish a nice smoky kick, and I like to add a little bit more of that. And black pepper, of course. Pepper to this. In the meantime, guys, the grill is on fire. Just flip it around. Tap it, just like that. You flip it, and flip it, and you're gonna do the same. Flip it over evenly, guys, evenly. And I be adding just a tiny bit actually of the Badia. I want those Spanish flavors to pop them as a pop 'em. And I'm gonna add a hilas. Okay, now you're gonna go like this. You know when a kid is playing with the sand, just press it. Don't worry about it. We're gonna place here. Now we're going to those steps again. Dip, transfer. Press. Press. And just damp the wrist. Boom, that baby's ready. Let's do the other one. Dip them. Take your other hand. You don't want to mix it with a duet because then, guess what? I'm not in no backyard that has a sink. I'm stuck here. And I gotta go back inside the kitchen, wash my hand, and try again. Look at that fish, guys. How beautiful. Show them the fish, girl. Okay, so out here we're gonna make, guess what? The cilantro mayo. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. What? What? Yeah. 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. Now we're gonna, we have here some jalapenos without the seed, the cilantro. I wanted to add some garlic too, actually, but I ran out. Let me add some of this, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna add some olive oil just to make that swirl. And we're gonna go and add some lime juice. Take the seeds out. Yep. Good. Now we blend. Blend forever. Blend for life. I tell you guys, help the blender. Help the blender. Let me see. Very good. Very nifty-fifty. You don't even need to help the blender. So, some olive oil, guys. Olive oil. And you see this. This is like on fire. Hang on, where you going? Wait, stay right there. Coming down here, burning. Okay. 3 minutes on each side, then you flip. Close this baby up. Oh. Ooh, color, I see color. And it's healthy. I love those mats. Now I'm going to be throwing these babies on here. Las tortillas. Drizzle. I want a little more toast here. Flip them. Flip them. Guys, I can't believe it's raining right now. No way! What? Look how cool these mats. I'm not bouncing here, but this shoe, holla. Yep, this baby's ready. Fish doesn't last long. You place it right here. Tortillas are good. Ok, mis amores, vamos a ver cómo está. Uy, mira qué rico. Vamos a voltear. Mira qué rico, delicioso. Who said you gotta cook inside the house? Right? That's not true, right? Look at that, beautiful fish. Now we're going to, oops, place it here. Those, we can leave them there for later. Okay, so now it's time to serve. Hi guys, so now we're going to be serving. So if you like two, you can go ahead. Two is good. So I like to do this. We're going to be adding that nice Mayo with the cream. I like to take the fish. Look how beautiful that fish. Look at that, guys. See that? It's nice and fresh. It's hot too. Woo! Woo! There you go. I'm going to go here. Look at that. We add some of this. We add some of this. Some of this. I use my fingers. I like to use my use my fingers a lot. What else am I missing? If you want to add that, I'm gonna add some of these. Come on. Hey, I know you don't want to get eaten, but I'm hungry over here. All right. Look at that. And some lime. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. All this here, mira eso. Eso. Ahora yo le voy a dar una mordida. Una cervecita aquí. Tú la dejas ahí en el lado hasta que se le vaya el humo. You know when you feel that thirst for a beer, nice and cold, that's the feeling. I would drink the whole thing, but I gotta put this taco down. Look at that, I was ready to take a bite because I couldn't take it. It's a big taco, so I gotta know how to navigate it. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Guys, don't forget to make this, and if you do I have something on my head? If you do, please put your comments on the box below. Thank you, and press the like button too, and subscribe. You like this mamacita making you fusitas.